Everybody, we are the three little piggies and we've just left home, so we're off to build our own little houses, and we'll tell you the story of what happened on our adventures. So the first little piggy, he saw a man with lots of straw. Please, can I have your straw?
Of course you can have my straw.
Thank you. So he set about to build himself a straw house. Oh, this is so cozy in my straw house.
Little pig, let me in.
Not by the air on my chinny chin chin will I let you in.
Well, I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down.
Oh, my house is gone. Where's my house gone? Oh no. Well, the next little piggy came along and he saw a man selling sticks.
Do you want some sticks?
Oh yes, I'd love to build myself a stick house.
Have all the sticks you want.
Thank you. Oh, what a lovely house I've made, Danny. Look at my house. I think I might just have a little nap. Oh, what's that?
Little pig, let me in.
Not by the air on my chinny chin chin will I let you in.
Well, then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Well, here comes the third little pig, Dexter. Here he comes. Oh, those bricks look good for building a house.
You can take as many bricks as you want.
Thank you. Busy building his brick house. And along come his brothers. Can we move in your house because the big bad wolf has blown our house away? Of course you can. Come in. What's that? What's that?
Little pig, let me in.
Not by the air on our chinny chin chins will we let you in.
Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down.
He can't blow our house down.
Damn it. I'm going to climb through the chimney.
Quick, get a fire on, get a fire on.
Ow, it burned me bum.
The wolf is gone forever. We can all live together happily ever after. Yay!